Hey guys, and welcome to this new little tutorial video about the Virus TI synthesizer. Today what I'm going to show you is how to create uplifting sounds, especially pitch uplifters in this case, not noise lifters, and risers with the Virus TI in just seconds. It's really easy. We are not going to use the mod metrics or anything complicated. What you need to know is that if you hear a sound, that I'm pressing the keyboard below the virus. So this is how I'm triggering the notes. We have an init patch here, so everything is set to 0 basically. What you want to do is the following. You simply press here on LFO1, oscillator pitch 1 and 2 will come up. We're going to increase that for 100%. In an init preset you will have a triangle LFO. That's also good. We can turn that down to maybe something like 5. And then what you want to do is simply press that envelope mode button. So now, as you can see, we can go 1 or 2 octaves down. It's pitching up. So basically we're just taking the triangle, we set it to really slow, we set it to behave like an envelope, and then we just simply activate the pitch, and this is basically the whole ingredients. So how can you make this uplifter a little bit more interesting? First of all, obviously there are effects. We can just activate a little bit of delay and maybe even a little bit of reverb. And it sounds already more interesting. So now let's try something else. We go to oscillator 1, we turn down the pitch by 2 octaves, so minus 24 semitones on the semitone knob. Now we hear something like that. We can maybe go 1 octave higher. And what you want to do now is activate the FM. That can make the sound a lot more fatter. So what you heard now was kind of a spectrum. This is how it sounds when there's just a little bit of FM modulation going on. So oscillator 1 is modulating oscillator 2. We also activated the oscillator sync button, and it's really set to a very low degree. And actually, yeah, we should play that 2 octaves higher. So you can see there's maybe a couple of % frequency modulation going on, and not that much. If you increase that, we actually start to hear the modulation going on because we pitched the first oscillator down before. So you actually can hear it. The speed of the ramp can be controlled with the LFO rate. So if you want something faster, or with just a little bit of FM, or something slower, this is up to you. So then, what else can we do to the signal to make it fatter? We could activate the Unison mode, and we can set it to 2 or even 4. Depends on the intensity. Keep in mind that the signal will also get lower the more voices you have. And you can control the pan spread here. The detune is also very viable. Can make it actually a very wide signal instead of a narrow one. Okay guys, that's it with this fast hands-on Virus TI tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you liked it, you know what to do. Smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notifications so you get notified when we come up with new tutorials just like this one and other cool content just around the whole topic of electronic music production, especially psychedelic electronic music production. I see you guys in the next one. I'm doing another one of those where I show another type of uplifter that is based on wavetable synthesis instead of the classic synthesis. But this should give you kind of a good overview on how to generate those pitch lifting sounds on the Virus TI. It's extremely easy. Of course, there are other ways how you can do it. We could also, for example, use the ramp shape and change the contour, or basically reverse it by 180 degrees so it's a ramp up instead of a ramp down. But I like to use the triangle and that way. And especially the speed of which you can, create those uplifting sounds is tremendous. I see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Bye bye.